Welcome back to the King's Queen, where I teach you how to master your hustle. Today is not going to be very long. I have something to show you all that will help my newbies out. And speaking of newbies, I just reached another milestone with this channel. To date, I have 5K and a little bit more subscribers. So I'd like to take time out to say thank you all who have hit that button and who keep coming back to listen to me teach you what I have learned, and hopefully you have taken that information to your own businesses and have done great things with that information. So like I said, thank you all for subscribing, and I hope you have gotten some valuable information. But on some of my videos, I have gotten some questions, and it seems like those questions are coming from newbies who are new to Canva specifically. So I'm going to be doing a few videos about some of the basic things that people have questioned me about. And today we're going to be talking about removing backgrounds. Now, as we know, if we are, as you say, a pro at Canva, removing backgrounds on Canva is a pro feature. What would you say if I told you that you could remove backgrounds on Canva, but you do not have to have Canva Pro to do it? That is very true, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And also, as you can see, my home screen may look a little different. If you stay tuned to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can get your home screen to look like my new updated home screen. But let's get back to these background removers. Okay, here we go. As you can see, I love to do projects where you have to remove the background. This is just a design that I did for my mother for her birthday. She loves her grandkids. So I took my sister's kids and my kids and did a t-shirt and a tote bag for her. Came out really cute. If you'd like to see how I did it, let me know, and I will do a video on how I do this type of graphic work. I also did a memorial t-shirt for my late cousin. But we're going to get to removing the background, and I am simply going to go over here to the left to apps, and you're going to type in background eraser. And for me, it's the first one that pops up. It has a RAM on it. Click it. And there's nothing to it except for it tells you to upload your photo. So I'm just going to go down here and pick one of these images from the prompt guide that I released yesterday. So if you need images like this, go to my Etsy shop. Prompt guide is right there for you. Shameless plug, I know, but okay, we're going to click on this purple button up under the image, and it's not going to take long at all. It's going to take a few seconds, and that background will be gone. And there we have it. We have the image without the background, and now you can add this to whatever you're working on, and it saves you the time of going to a different outside program and then importing that into Canva and then using it. So it just saves you a little time, and I love to be on the side of where I don't have to do much clicking, much downloading, uploading, all of that it irritates me, and I like things to be simple. Canva is making so many improvements. They're giving us so much, and I love the way that things are going, and this simplicity of using this app. If I did not have Canva Pro, this would be great for me, but I do have Canva Pro, so I probably will not be using this unless, God forbid, I don't have my Canva Pro subscription anymore. But you newbies out there who would like to use Canva, but you think you can't do this, you can't do that, well, now you can remove backgrounds without having that subscription. And I am sorry for the snoring in the background. My nephew is right next to my desk. He's over there sleeping, so you're going to hear him snoring. I apologize for that. But it is what it is. We got to do what we got to do. But, yeah, that's all that I have for the background removing. But like I told you, I'm going to show you all how to get your update. Now, yesterday was May the 24th, and they had a rollout called Canva Create. And with Canva Create, there's some new things coming to Canva. And one of those things is a change in how our home screen looks and how the total package of Canva is operating now. It's been updated. There's been so many changes, and it's just making it more streamlined, taking away some of the things that they see that people really are not using, and making it more simplistic for us to use. So I'm not going to show you those things on this video. I'm going to put a link down below of the 2 videos that will help you all with seeing what the new things are with Canva. Like I said, they did Canva Create yesterday, and for the first 1 million people who, as they said, knock on the door, you can get the update. Well, when the lady said that that information, there was a guy on the stage with her, and he went over to an image much like this one and showed exactly how to do that. He was pointing right here on the home screen where it says for you. So what you do is you go on your home screen, click on for you 7 times. That's going to equivalent knocking. And it's going to play a little song, a note each time you click on for you. And then after that 7th time, it's going to give you this cool light show, and then you are going to be upgraded to the new updated version of Canva. So hopefully you all are not past 1 million. Hopefully they're not past 1 million with that. Yesterday I was 8,000 and something, and it had only been released, I would say, maybe an hour when I did it. So hopefully you all get in that 1 million if you want the updates. And like I said, I will put down in the description the 2 videos that show you exactly what the updates are. One video is more clear and concise to me. It's one of the Canva creators himself who does a lot of Canva videos. He breaks down everything that is new with Canva. And I will also put down the live that Canva did themselves. I will put both of those videos in the description. But I'm going to get out of here. I hope you all got some information out of this video that you can use. All my newbies, stay tuned, because I'm going to be coming with some stuff that's going to help you so that you can get to Canva Pro status. You don't even have to have Canva Pro to do it. I'm going to try my best to help you all navigate through Canva if you have or you don't have Canva Pro's subscription. So with that being said, you all have a beautiful day. I'm going to try to do the same. And you all be blessed.